Testing. This video will show aspects of electronic component testing, which are main switch fuse check, 24 volt SMPS check and 36 volt SMPS check. If you turn on power switch but it is not working, then check the fuse for connectivity by multimeter. Remove the fuse cap from the main switch. Put multimeter on continuity mode and connect multimeter probes to both the ends of switch. If the multimeter buzzes, then the fuse is in working condition, and if it doesn't buzz, then change the fuse with same ampere rating. As shown in video, fit the fuse cap and insert the cap in socket, connect mains cord and turn on power switch. It blinks red light which shows power is getting supplied to the machine. Open the right side control panel door. Check input voltage of 24 volt SMPS with multimeter. Connect black probe to neutral wire, connect red probe to live wire and keep multimeter in AC range. Multimeter should show 230 volt. It proves that supply is proper at SMPS. Check the output voltage of SMPS by connecting black probe to the negative, that is blue wire, and red probe to the positive, that is brown wire. Keep multimeter in DC range. Multimeter should show 24 volt DC. Connect probe to controller card to check voltage of 24 volt DC. Now we will test 36 volt SMPS by connecting multimeter as shown. Multimeter should display 230 volt AC of input voltage. Connect probe at output voltage to check 36 volt DC. Now check input voltage of X drive. It should display 36 volt DC for working condition. Check input voltage of Y and Z drive as before, and it should display 36 volt DC. By this, supply is in same range for all axes.